SSE is committed to get nature positive.
The grain store Lewes is committed to get nature positive.
Lloyds Banking Group is committed to get nature positive.
GSK is committed to get nature positive.
Snoop is committed to get nature positive.
Burberry is committed to get nature positive.
Responsible Travel is committed to get nature positive.
Severn Trent is committed to get nature positive.
Marks & Spencer is committed to get nature positive.
BBH is committed to get nature positive.
Legal & General is committed to get nature positive.
Direct Line Group is committed to get nature positive.
Iceland Foods is committed to get nature positive.
Costain is committed to get nature positive.
Kingfisher is committed to get nature positive.